Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to change language in Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply log into your Microsoft account with your username and your password. After you have successfully logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to come to the sidebar right here, click on your info. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down where you have language right here. So simply click on here, and this is going to pump up. So for you to change your display language, what you need to do is to simply click on here and then select any language of your choice that you understand from this drop down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different languages is going to drop down. So let's, for instance, you want to change to this particular language. Select the language and click on change display language, and all the language display on your Microsoft account will automatically change to your preferred display language. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.